Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my mini mystery box of awesome, which is a subscription that's $10 a month and everything inside is a complete random surprise. So this is the January 2020 bag, and I'm just going to pull out whatever I feel for in the bag first. Now this we have gotten in the past. There are little Polaroid gift bags, and I have not received any duplicate items, so that's kind of strange, but they did send those again. Interesting. Next up, kind of thought I felt a water bottle in there. So this is pretty big, and it has one of those little containers inside, so you can put fruit or something that you want to diffuse into your water. So that's pretty handy. They typically do send very useful items. Something that got crushed. We have a little advertisement for Pet Treater. And in every bag we always get like a little paper with like crossword puzzle and stuff like that, and it says what month the bag is. There wasn't one this time, which is unusual. There always is and has been in the past, but this is the January 2020 box. I do know that. And the last item that I got is Bright Bliss Charcoal Whitening Toothpaste. Says it's infused with activated coconut charcoal powder, fluoride free and mint flavor. So like I said, useful items, even though they're completely random, can definitely get use out of this stuff. And then of course can always put a gift in these little cute camera bags. So that's what came this month. If you guys want to see past months, I do have a playlist, and if you'd like to join, I have a link below where you can sign up. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.